If you've ever aspired to create your own music, perform live, or produce studio-quality tracks, a MIDI keyboard is an essential investment that can unlock your creative potential. Unlike traditional keyboards, a MIDI keyboard doesn't generate sound on its own. Instead, it connects to your computer or device and acts as a controller for virtual instruments and software. This allows you to access an almost limitless library of sounds, from pianos and synthesizers to drums and orchestral instruments, making it a versatile tool for any music genre or style. For beginners, MIDI keyboards are an excellent starting point, offering intuitive features like velocity-sensitive keys that respond to how hard or soft you play, drum pads for creating beats, and pre-programmed scale and chord modes to help simplify music creation. Many models are compact and portable, making them ideal for home studios or traveling musicians. These entry-level options typically cost under $200 and still provide the core functionalities needed to start producing music right away. For intermediate users, mid-range MIDI keyboards, priced around $250, deliver more advanced features. They often include additional keys for a wider range, enhanced performance pads for triggering sounds or effects, and better integration with digital audio workstations, DAWs, like Ableton Live, FL Studio, or Logic Pro. These features allow for smoother workflows, more creative possibilities, and the ability to take your productions to the next level. For professionals or those ready to invest in higher-end gear, premium MIDI keyboards are available at around $300 or more. These models combine premium build quality, larger key counts, 49 to 61 keys or more, and advanced controls such as faders, knobs, and assignable buttons for precise adjustments. Many also come bundled with professional-grade software, giving you access to thousands of high-quality virtual instruments and sound libraries. These keyboards are built for both studio production and live performance, offering the tools to craft intricate compositions or deliver a flawless live set. When choosing a MIDI keyboard, consider your needs and goals. Think about the number of keys. Smaller models, 25 to 37 keys, are excellent for beatmaking or portability, while larger models, 49 to 61 keys, are better for composing full songs or playing complex arrangements. Look for features like velocity-sensitive keys, drum pads, and customizable controls, as these can greatly enhance your experience. Compatibility with your DAW is also crucial, so make sure the keyboard you choose integrates easily with your preferred software. Ultimately, a MIDI keyboard is more than just a piece of equipment. It's a creative partner that grows with you as a musician. Whether you're a beginner exploring the world of music production, an intermediate user looking to refine your skills, or a professional aiming for top-tier quality, there's a MIDI keyboard out there that fits your needs, budget, and aspirations. It's an investment that can inspire you to turn your musical ideas into reality and elevate your artistry to new heights.